Betelgeuse, also called Alpha Orionis, is a red supergiant star that is approximately 950 times larger than the Sun. It is roughly 640 light-years from the Earth and is one of the most luminous stars. Not only to experts, Betelgeuse is easily distinguishable to everyone by naked eyes, not only due to its position and luminous, but also its deep redness. Red giant stars like Betelgeuse undergo frequent changes in their brightness. However, Betelgeuse's sudden change in its brightness between late 2019 to early 2020 has surprised everyone. This comparison image shows Betelgeuse before and after its sudden dimming. Beginning October 2019, Betelgeuse started to get dimmer. In February 2020, it has lost more than 65% of its original brightness. There was some conjecture that the red supergiant was about to become supernova, but we do not know when precisely it will be and what will happen before a supernova explosion. However, the explosion did not arrive. Betelgeuse's brightness finally got back to the normal level in April 2020. This phenomenon has challenged our current understanding of the universe and has brought a large impact on the astronomic field, since it is so strange and unprecedented. Many people predicted that it might be related to an upcoming supernova explosion. Astronomers and experts have put much effort into explaining this phenomenon by developing several theories. One saying was that there is a large cold dark star spot covering part of the star's surface. However, the Hubble observations, led by Andrea Dupree, Associate Director of the Center for Astrophysics, suggest that, instead of a star spot, there is a dust cloud. In other words, the cause of Betelgeuse's mysterious dimming is the traumatic outburst. According to NASA's Hubble Space Telescope observations, this phenomenon was most prone to be caused by the ejection of many hot materials into space, creating a huge cloud of dust that blocked starlight coming from the surface of Betelgeuse. This set of pictures has illustrated how the southern region of Betelgeuse suddenly became dimmer for a few months. From the first two pictures, there is an ejection of a luminous hot blob of plasma from the emergence of a large convection cell on the surface of Betelgeuse, as seen in ultraviolet light by the Hubble Space Telescope. In the third picture, the expelled gas quickly passes through the hot atmosphere to the cooler outward layer and forms a large cloud of dust when this gas became cold. Finally, the last picture shows the large dust cloud, for almost one-fourth of the star's surface. The light was blocked. Starting from January 2019, Hubble's ultraviolet light spectroscopic observations of Betelgeuse constructed a timeline leading up to the dimness. These results have really contributed to our understanding of the process that causes the dimming. From September to November of 2019, Hubble obtained images of concentrated hot material passing through Betelgeuse's atmosphere. Then, this dust brightness in its southern hemisphere began to fade in December. According to Dupree, with Hubble, we can track the material's movements as it leaves the visible surface of the star and passes through the hot atmosphere until it forms a dust cloud that causes the star to fade. Hubble is the only tool that provides the evidence that led to the dimming phenomenon. Knowing about massive red supergiants like Betelgeuse is important because these stars release heavy elements like carbon into space. Those elements are going to become the building blocks for new stars, while they're also necessary components of life. The red supergiant will eventually explode when reaching the end of its life. Some experts claim that the sudden dimming is possibly a pre-supernova phenomenon, although we do not have any knowledge about what happens before a supernova explosion. If the change of brightness is a pre-supernova event, it would have happened thousands of years ago, and the light has just reached Earth recently. But in any case, people's worries are reasonable, since Betelgeuse is so large, nearby, and volatile. Any change on the star may bring some impact on the Earth. Fortunately, we do have Hubble that can keep an eye on it, capturing any irregular movement of it. Betelgeuse has now become the only star that we are paying special attention to other than the Sun. Thanks for watching.